Mm-hmm.
Yep. You know what that is? It's getting a lift kit. A big lift kit. And some new wheels and tires. Maybe Dylan would be so kind to go over and show them to you while I make sure that I'm not going to drop the lift Jeep off the lift.
Well, you probably will, knowing your luck. Look at them fucking things right there. Look at them. Jesus. You know, if you just felt like putting some big ass tires on it and whatnot. I feel only like it already handles like shit. Just imagine how it handles with them fucking things on there, you know?
Brought home the old snap-on gun. Still kicks. We'll see how good this goes. It is a Jeep. So it's either going to go really good or really horrible. There's kind of no in between.
Huh? Well,
I don't think I'm a real big fan of these bumpers.
he put this on himself.
I'm not really digging them. They're kind of like...
Hey, isn't it like missing like a M?
What? Opar. Yep.
It's like, isn't that Mopar? Like, I thought...
Oh, it's Opar. It's better. They ditched the M.
Oh. Yeah, they've upgraded their stuff.
They've upgraded. Yeah. If that's what you want to call it. Alright, so the first order of business is going to be to unbolt the shocks. Let everything drop so it'll spit the springs out so we can force the longer springs in. And we'll be back.
No, hold on. Alright guys, we're back.
So what we did, we got the springs out. In order to get the springs out, you gotta unhook the shock, unhook the swim bar links, unhook the track bar, and just let her hang.
Let her hang and compensate.
Oh, yeah, always unhook your vent tube right here for your diff. So that way you don't yank it off or break anything. We totally did.
That's alright, but you know, sometimes we're...
Yeah, we got those out. And we're gonna see this right now. This isn't a good thing that I did, but I did it. The brake hoses are, holding some weight, but that's okay. It's a new Jeep. It should be able to handle it,
Yeah, because, just because it's new. It's new, it should be able to handle all.
Yeah, so we're going to put the new springs in now.
Yeah. And then we'll be back to show you that outcome.
So
there we go.
Alright guys, so we got the front springs in. It was a real joy. You got to bolt your brake hoses, all your other stuff that we showed you before. And you need a buddy, because it takes two people, because one person's got to pull down on the diff while the other person wedges the spring up in. But it will go, so don't get discouraged, or do, and then get a bigger hammer. But now we're going to put the shocks in, which doesn't look like it's going to be much fun, but we're going to go for it.
Look at this guy.
This is the biggest pain in the ass of this whole project. Getting the shocks out. They don't give you an access top of the frame unless you want to rip the whole engine compartment apart. I don't feel like it. But on a side note, I feel like a Jeep Wrangler is like the vehicle you buy when you're like old and all your hair is falling out, but you still want to like cruise along the beach and pick up girls that are like 3 decades too young for you.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. You gotta love this road salt bullshit, man.
You're telling me.
Go show them the other side since we got that shock in.
Dude, yeah, then we got this sucker in. This side was a lot easier. We can get the a little cap. That was right there. We just pop that sucker right off. We can get a socket right in there, and that side was a lot easier to put in. This side, this side, there's no cap to pop out.
Down! Now, get to the chopper now!
Dude,
What?
Shut the hell up.
It makes me feel stronger.
Oh, does it, Arnold?
Yeah. Get to the chopper now! You the girly man! My fuzzy little man.
Are you there yet?
That's what she said. And no, I'm not. Fuck. Don't rush me. Makes me feel...
What do you mean that's what she said?
Because I take so long, you know?
Oh, yeah.
Got that long...
Bitch, I didn't say...
I got that long game!
Why are you yelling?
Because they can. Like I said, it makes me feel stronger.
Yeah, you better calm down, Hercules.
I don't want to calm down. I'm gonna amp up.
Look at this! Look at this! What this tool did. He opens the hood up, puts it on the fucking window.
It's a Jeep thing. You wouldn't
No, it
understand.
ain't.
Yes. Do it.
And it's got a thing right here. You know, you put the hood on it, but no.
Dude, this is a serious off-roading machine.
Oh yeah, you know, people buy these totally to go off-roading with.
Well, cool.
You know, this is the top of the line Wrangler.
Yeah, and?
You know what they buy this for? They treat it like a fucking car.
Mall crawler, dude.
You know what this does when you go off-road with it?
Brakes.
Brakes. I would know. I work at a fucking Dodge dealership.
Dude, you're
with Jeeps.
Oh, dude, I think we finally got it.
Dude, I don't care if
I just had sex.
I don't care if I get any hate for this.
It felt so good.
Because you want to know why? I don't care if I get hate for this because they know that I know that I'm right. They just don't want to admit it.
Yeah, well, you know what's going to be extra fantabulous?
What, putting it back on?
Getting my fingers in there to start the nut.
And putting it back on, dude. Good luck with that.
That's the rear shot. Why do we have parts everywhere?
Dude, because that's how we operate, dude. This is the one you need, bitch.
No, this is the one I need. That's a rear.
You are a fucking rear.
You take it in the rear. Oh!
Yeah, okay. Uh-huh. It's not what your cousin said.
Ooh! Bitch! Bring it in the family value. Oh, shit. Nobody saw that.
We have family values around here.
This fucking zip. Who makes these? Look, the zip didn't open.
Rough Country does.
Ooh.
Oh, if you didn't know.
Rough Country.
Yeah, it's a Rough
That
Country.
sounds like a porno name.
Does it?
Yeah.
That sounds like a movie, porno movie title.
It sounds like a porno movie that I'd actually watch.
You do watch it.
Yeah.
Because you're a freak.
Yeah. I like that real kinky stuff.
Yeah, shit that we don't like talking about because it's so disturbing.
No, it's not.
That's fucking disturbing.
It's beautiful.
Oh yeah, is it?
Yeah.
We ain't gonna talk about it because it's too inappropriate for the YouTubes.
Whatever.
But
Just because you don't understand the fine art of cooking.
whatever.
All right,
We'll be back with this retard.
Got everything in. The extended sway bar links. We put the adjustable track bar in, which we can't adjust until, you know, it's on the ground with the tires on, so we can center the diff. We're gonna do it with the tape measure until the guy can go to an alignment shop and get an alignment done. But everything's in, bolted on. We're gonna bolt the new front wheels and tires on it, set it on the ground. We'll get a shot of that versus the rear before we start on the rear. Got the wheels and tires mounted up. Looks pretty dope. Tomorrow we got a winch to put in it, different headlights, different fenders, a bug deflector, some taillight guards, and some other GP type stuff. Dylan's putting our tools away. It's like 11 o'clock at night and we want to go home for the night. We are tired, but dang guys, check that out. The rear was way easier to do than the front. And it's all the same steps basically. Unhook the sway bar links, loosen your brake line mounting brackets, unhook your shocks, drop the diff, change your springs, hook your new shocks up, la-di-di-da. Yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory. Let's put it this way, if you can figure the front out, you can figure the back out. It's not hard.